Glad to introduce the installation and operation of collaborative robot to you. Let's first look at the structure of the robot. The robot includes wire feeder, robotic arm, welding torch, water tank, power cord interface, power switch, welding torch water circulation interface, welding power source, wireless router, control box interface, earth wire interface, signal controller, control handle. Other accessories include control tablet, earth wire with clamp, power cord, hand control box. Installation steps. Lift the side panel of the equipment upwards and remove the side panel. Unscrew the water tank cap. Insert the water inlet pipe into the water tank and fill it with pure water. Water level should be increased to the green area. Screw on the water tank cap and close the side panel of the equipment. One end of the device's power cord is connected to the main circuit. The other end plugs into the power interface on the side of the device. Unscrew the grounding connector on the side of the equipment and connect the earth wire with clamp. Connect the control box to the interface on the side of the device. Turn on the device power switch. Connect the earth wire to the workpiece being welded. Press and hold the tech button, drag the robotic arm to the normal position, and then release the button. Take out the tablet. Tablet connection. There are currently two connection methods, wired connection and wireless connection. Wire connection, the signal control cable is plugged into the computer tablet. Press and hold to start the tablet. Click the network icon. Select the network corresponding to the router name. You can take out the router and see the name of the corresponding network on the back. Welding wire installation. Connect the air hose of the wire feeder to the air source. Open the wire feeder shaft pin and insert the wire feed reel. Open the wire feed roller pin to feed the welding wire into the welding gun along the wire feed roller, then close the pin. Click the robot software icon on the screen to open the software. Check if the wireless icon in the upper right corner of the software is connected. Keep pressing the wire feed button until the welding wire is fed out of the welding torch nozzle. Cut off the excess welding wire when it is about 1 centimeter away from the nozzle. Software introduction. This is the main interface of the control software. This interface includes the option to select the shape of the welding path, welding parameter name selection, welding parameter display, displaying and modifying data acquisition points, and modifying corresponding welding parameters. You can delete the selected points. Clear all welding pads. Start collecting points. Welding wire feeding. Retract welding wire. Check for gas. Simulated robot running path. Start or stop running. Click the settings button to enter the secondary menu. This is the general settings interface, where you can set the welding power mode, including DC, pulse, and laser. Robotic arm no load operating speed. Switching languages and calibrating welding parameters. This is the process interface, where you can edit and delete existing processes. Click Add Process, and in the submenu, you can set parameters such as process name, current, voltage, and arc start or end voltage. Save the settings after completion. This is the oscillation interface. Click Add Wave. You can set the oscillation name, type, frequency, etc. After setting up, click Save and then return to the workbench. Operation demonstration. Press the drag button once, and the robotic arm indicator light will change from blue to green, indicating that the robotic arm is in a movable state. Drag the robotic arm to the starting safe position and click the Safe Point button. Drag the robotic arm to the welding start point, then click the Safety Point. Drag the robotic arm to the welding end point, then click the Arc End button. Drag the robotic arm to the safe position after welding is complete, and then click the Safety Point button. Click the drag button again to end the collection points. The indicator light will change from green to blue. Welding operation. Uncheck the simulation option. Click the Start button and the device will begin welding.